Meaning of finely.
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 Finally.
Finally. Finely is an adverb used to describe the degree to which something has been broken down or chopped up into small, delicate pieces. When something is finely chopped, it means that it has been cut up into very small, uniform pieces, often using a sharp knife or machine. This can result in a more refined, delicate texture and flavor, making it easier to cook, digest, or blend with other ingredients. Finely chopping herbs, vegetables, or nuts, for example, can add depth and complexity to a dish, while also making it aesthetically pleasing.